Hey there, let's talk. Yes, today we would like to talk about things that are way more than studying abroad. We have been delivering crucial study abroad information, recommendations, tips and tricks, and so much more on this channel. But today I want to give you advice, actionable and highly impactful advice today. When you're planning to study abroad, there's a lot at stake. Your dreams, efforts, hard-earned money, parents' dreams, and their expectations. You have to make sure you get everything right. So, how do you define what makes your study abroad experience successful and fulfilling? It's simple. If you have evolved as a person, for the better of course, studying abroad can have a profound impact on personal growth and development in several ways. It helps you become independent and self-reliant. You'll need to navigate daily life, make decisions, and solve problems on your own, which can lead to increased self-confidence and a sense of empowerment. If you've built a powerful character, adapting to a new environment, culture, and potentially a different language can be challenging. It requires resilience to face and overcome these challenges, which can strengthen your character. Studying abroad provides a transformative experience that challenges you to grow personally and develop a strong, adaptable, and empathetic character. It equips you with valuable life skills that can serve you well in various aspects of your personal and professional life. If you've made some good friends across the world, studying abroad provides a fertile ground for making meaningful connections and friendships that can enrich your personal and professional life, broaden your cultural awareness, and offer a diverse network of friends and acquaintances from around the world. If you have become appreciative of other cultures, when you study abroad, you will find incredible new foods, customs, traditions, and social atmospheres. You will find that you have a better understanding and appreciation for the nation's people and history. You will have the opportunity to witness a completely new way of life, and this is how you will become appreciative of other cultures, and people would also want to know more about your country and your ways of life. And of course, getting good grades through your program and then landing a good job is the very end goal of the whole point of studying abroad. So these were my top 5 metrics to assess if your study abroad experience was fulfilling or not. Make sure you indulge yourself completely while also focusing on your studies and getting a job. And there you go, become the best version of yourself. If you liked today's video, drop a thumbs up, comment what you would like to see next, and subscribe to Leverage Edu. Thank you for watching.